In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove indicators in TradingView. If you've been adding indicators to your chart to test different strategies, your screen can quickly start to feel cluttered. Sometimes you just want a clean chart again, with only the price candles in front of you. That's exactly what we're going to do together, step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly remove any indicator you don't need. First, make sure you're looking at your TradingView chart in the main chart window. On the left-hand side of your chart, you'll see the price scale, and just above that or around that area, a list of the indicators currently applied. For example, if you're using a moving average, you'll see something like MA, or the specific name of that moving average displayed near the price scale, or in the legend area on the left. Take a moment to hover your mouse over the indicator name you want to remove. When you move your cursor over that label, a few small icons will appear next to it. This is where you'll control what happens to that indicator. Now, one way to remove the indicator is to look for the three small dots next to its name. These three dots usually open a quick menu with several options related to that specific indicator. Go ahead and click on those three dots. When the menu pops up, you'll see an option that says Remove or Remove Indicator. Click on that and the indicator will instantly disappear from your chart. This method is useful if you like using menus and want to be sure you're selecting the right indicator. There's also an even faster way to do it. When you hover over the indicator name, along with the three dots, you'll usually see a small trash can or remove icon. Instead of opening the menu, you can simply click directly on that trash or remove icon. As soon as you click it, the indicator will be removed from your chart right away. This is great when you're cleaning up multiple indicators and want to move quickly. If you accidentally remove the wrong indicator, don't worry. You can always re-add it by going back to the indicators menu at the top of the screen and searching for it again. So to recap in a natural way, find the indicator name on the left side of your chart, hover over it, then either click the three dots and choose remove, or click the trash icon directly. That's all there is to it.